In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Belize with Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account and make sure you're fully signed in before you begin the transfer. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're using the correct account and that your app or browser is updated, since that can help avoid small delays while sending money. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country shown at the top of the page. Click on it and select Belize. This step is important because Remitly adjusts the available transfer options, delivery methods, and payment details based on the destination country. Choosing Belize first helps make sure you're seeing the correct information for your transfer. After that, click Send Money to move to the Transfer Setup screen. This is where you'll begin entering the details for the person who will receive the money. If the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, you can simply click their contact and continue. That's the quickest option if you've sent money to them before. If their information is not saved yet, click New Contact and then select their country. Make sure the country is set correctly so the transfer is routed properly. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, take a moment to review the exchange rate and any transfer fees displayed on the screen. This helps you understand exactly how much the recipient will receive and how much you'll be paying in total. Once the amount is entered, select the delivery method. The delivery method determines how the money will reach the recipient, so choose the option that matches what they can access most easily. Depending on what's available, this could affect delivery speed as well, so it's worth reviewing carefully before moving on. Then, select your payment method. Choose the payment option you want to use for funding the transfer, and then click Continue. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter the recipient's account details. Be especially careful here, because accurate information is essential for a successful transfer. Even a small mistake can cause delays or send the money to the wrong place. After entering those details, simply follow the prompts on your screen to review and complete the transfer. Before submitting, take one final look at the amount, recipient information, delivery method, and payment method to make sure everything is correct. And that's how to send money to Belize with Remitly.